In this video, I'll guide you through how to get a Sofi personal loan pre-qualification. Whether you're planning a big purchase, consolidating debt, or just exploring your options, understanding how to pre-qualify for a personal loan with Sofi can be a valuable step in your financial journey. It's quick, straightforward, and won't impact your credit score. To begin, you'll need to visit the Sofi website or open the Sofi app on your device. Both platforms are user-friendly and designed to make your experience as seamless as possible. Once you're on the homepage, look for the button that says Check Your Rate or Get Started. Clicking this will take you to the initial steps of the pre-qualification process. Now, it's time to enter some basic personal information. This includes details such as your name, your current income, and your employment status. Don't worry, this information is secure and used to tailor the loan options to your specific financial situation. It's important to be as accurate as possible here to ensure that the loan estimates you receive are realistic and useful. Once you've entered your information, Sofi will perform a soft credit check. A soft credit check is a preliminary review of your credit history, and unlike a hard credit inquiry, it won't affect your credit score. This means you can explore your loan options without any impact on your credit. Shortly after the soft credit check, Sofi will present you with your pre-qualified loan offers. These offers will include estimated rates and terms, giving you a clear picture of what you might expect if you choose to move forward. It's a good idea to take your time reviewing these options. Consider the interest rates, repayment terms, and any other conditions that might influence your decision. At this point, you can decide whether you want to proceed with a full loan application. If you find an offer that fits your needs and budget, continuing with the application could be your next step. However, if you're not ready yet, there's no obligation to proceed. You can always return later when you feel more prepared or when your financial circumstances change. And that's it. That's how to get a Sofi personal loan pre-qualification. It's a simple and efficient process that provides you with the information you need to make informed financial decisions. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your financial journey.